Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Sancholes from the last group, Module 7. This chapter, this is all about the night audit section. So this morning I will be reporting the night audit sections. When we say night audit sections, a night audit session is a review of all the financial activities that occurred at the front desk in one day. This accounting practice helps hotel managers understand the cash flow in and out of the hotel each day. All right, and now what is night audit? It is the process of auditing where the night auditor reviews all the hotels, financial activities that have taken place one day. The conventional method can be done using papers, receipts, vouchers, coupons, and files, but performing using modern PMS system in a fast and efficient. Now let's proceed to basic activity during night audit. One is positioning accommodation and task charge. When we say positioning accommodations and task card is after the night auditors has received any messages from other front office staff, reviewed guests which check out of the note, extended any guest stays, reviewed all room rates. Alright, the second is accumulating guest service charges and payment. One of the various modules of PMS, food and beverages, all accounting gov tutors allow for ease and assembling guest charges and payments. The need for night audit. The objective of night audit it is to evaluate the hotel's financial activities. Night audit not only reviews guest accounts by checking credits and debits, but also tracks the credit limits of the guest and tallies projected and actual sales from various departments. Let's move on, the need for night audit. And for now, we should go to the types of night audit report. So one is night audit accommodations report. It gives a snapshots of the days when accommodations are occupied. The second is night audit counter report. It gives details on cash and credit card receipts and withdrawals. 3 is night audit revenue report. It delivers information on accommodations revenue, cancellations, and no-show revenue and post revenue. Fourth is night audit task report. Contains all the task information on reservation, revenue, and other post-revenue as VAT, luxury task, and service task. 5 is cashier report. It is a detailed list of cashier activity of cash influx and outflux credit card and PMS totals. 6. It is a statistical list of previous days occupancy. It includes details, available accommodations, occupied accommodations, sold and vacant accommodations, rack rate, number guests in the hotel, number of no-shows, and so on. General's Manager Report. Each department in the hotel is required to send daily sales report to the front office. High Balance Report. This is the detailed report about the guests who have exceeded the credit limit set by the the hotel management. Alright, Ledger Balance Summary Report. It displays the opening and closing balances for the advanced deposit ledger, guest ledger, and city ledger. Room rate audit report. It is all rates are applied 10 each guest and the difference from the racked rate with the predetermined rack code. Now this is my end of my report. Thank you everyone.
Good evening, ma'am. And good evening, classmates. So here are the 9 types of audit. So the first one is the 9 audit accommodations. So ako na lang ni siyang i-diretso og report, ma'am. So ako lang i-diretso og explain. Ayan ko meaning. So the night audit accommodation report tells you which days room are taken or which days they're free. When guests arrive and leave, if someone didn't show up, and if there were any cancellations, we can also get more info about of these things. So ang next is the night audit counter report. So shows how much money was received in cash and credit card payments at the counter. So it also includes information about any withdrawals made. Its summary by financial activity at the counter during the night. So muna siya ang the audit counter report. So the third one is the night audit revenue. So the night audit revenue tells you how much money was made from accommodations, cancellations, and other sales. It also shows where the income comes from, like travel agents, companies, and online bookings. So muna siya ang the night audit revenue report. So the next one is the night audit tax report. So the night audit tax report has details about taxes on reservations and other sales, including VAT, luxury tax, and service tax. So it summarizes the tax informations related to the money earned from reservations and other points of sale. So mo na siya ang the night audit tax report. So next, so the cashier's report is like a detailed list of what the cashier did, including money coming in and going out, credit card transactions, and the total from the hotel system. So it's important for keeping track of the hotel's money, and the front office manager checks it during the night audit to make sure everything adds up correctly. So next is a manager's report. So it's a summary of the hotel's statistics from the previous day, providing informations on available rooms, occupied rooms, sales, vacancies, rack rates, guests in the hotels, and the number of no-shows. So it helps managers track and analyze the hotel's performance. So, muna siya ang a manager's report. So, muna ang trabaho niya. So, next is a general manager's report. So, a general manager's report compiles daily sales report from each hotel department, creating an overall summary for the general manager's evaluations. So, this report helps assess the success of sales and marketing efforts, identifying profit generating departments within the hotel. So siya mo'y tigtrabaho ana. So muna ang trabaho sa a general manager's report. So next is a high balance report. So a high balance reports provide details information about guests who have surpassed the credit limit set by the hotel management. So it helps the hotel monitor and manage instances where guests have exceeded their allowed credit. So muna ang trabaho sa high balance report. So next is a ledger balance summary. So a ledger balance summary report shows the opening and closing balance for different ledgers, including the advance deposit ledger, guest ledger, and city ledger. So it provides a snapshot of financial transactions within these ledgers. So last but not the least is the room rate audit report. So the room rate audit report, it lists all rates that are applied to each guest and the differences from the rack rate within the predetermined rack code. So muna yung trabaho niya. So the next topic is the night manager. So the night manager is in charge during overnight shifts, overseeing front office operations, night audit, and hotel safety secure. So they support the front office manager in various aspects such as operations, planning, budgeting, staffing, and payroll, ensuring adherence to hotel policies. The night manager provides leaderships and upholds the hotel's standards of excellence for the front office team. So, in the duties and responsibilities, so ako na lang ni siyang i-explain pag diretso. So, first, in supervising as needed, the responsibility included overseeing and ensuring that front office employees follow the standards of excellence outlined in the employee handbook, hotel policies, and procedures. This involve coaching, training, and supervision to maintain high quality performance within the front office department. So the second in the duties and responsibilities is to ensure a consistently professional and service-oriented environment is maintained at all times, so promoting high-quality standards with the workplace. So the third one is act as the manager on duty in the absence of the front office manager. So handling tasks such as addressing complaints, solving problems, managing disturbance, addressing special requests, and resolving any other issues that may arise during that time. So the fourth one is the oversee the night shift in the department, ensuring all employees complete their assigned tasks and coordinate front office activities with other departments for seamless operations. So the last one is provide nightly update to all overnight staff, including information about activities, group and VIP arrivals, special requests, and repeat guests to ensure smooth coordination of responsibility. So that's all of my report, ma'am. Thank you.
Who is a night auditor? A night auditor is an accounting professional who oversees financial records for organizations. They ensure that assets are secure through appropriate control measures and financial records met all legal standards for accuracy. Night auditors are finance masters with a true understanding of hospitality functions. Night auditors are senior front desk personnel like managers. What does a night auditor do? Typically, a night auditor tracks room revenues, occupancy percentages, and other standards operating metrics. So, in addition to this, they assess late night guests, check in and check outs, and address other customer requests. They also audit, reconcile, and balance daily financial activities. The night auditor also summarizes and reports the results to front office management. The hotel's accounting division, which is primarily responsible for back office auditing. It may also use night audit data in preparing additional statistical analysis. Responsibilities of a night auditor: taking over from the last shift, checking in and checking out the guest after 11 p.m. at night, registering the guest, allocating accommodations to the newly checked-in guest, settling transactions in the newly created guest accounts, verifying guest folios, verifying room status report, balancing all paperwork with the accounts in the PMS. So what is the night audit posting formula? So regardless of how the night audit is conducted, the basic account posting formula applies. Previous balance plus debits minus credits equals net outstanding balance. So the night audit focuses on two major areas: the findings of front office accounting errors, if any, of accounting and management reports. From an accounting point of view, a night audit ensures the front office accounts match the back office data through cross-referencing. Discrepancies found during a night audit need to be corrected so that the front office accounting system is balanced. Night audit revenue report. This report captures income generated from rooms and also other POS outlets for the day. The report also shows room inclusion details, if available, along with the source of revenue selected. Night audit tax report. This report shows the total amount of tax collected from room taxes and POS taxes for the day. MTD and YTD reports. These two important hotel reports for management show the month-wise and year-wise data for selected day, for which night audit has been performed. They help you understand the percentages of rooms occupied, the percentage of rooms occupied minus complementary and house use, average daily rate, and total revenue of your hotel including POS, other charges, etc. So that's all. Thank you.